Once upon a time there was a dense forest. There lived a cruel lion in that jungle. He used to think himself as the king of jungle. All other animals were very afraid of him. So one day he called all animals of the forest all in a place and roared, "From tomorrow onwards I would stop hunting down the animals in the forest, and in return you would have to come to my den by yourself turn by turn." Due to the fear, all animals went to the lion's den as his food. Lion was very happy as he didn't have to hunt for his meal. One day, it was the turn of a rabbit to go to the lion's den. The rabbit wanted to live longer, but he feared the lion killing all the other animals at once if he don't go to the lion's den. The rabbit slowly went towards the lion's den, thinking if there is any way of getting saved. He saw an old well on the way to the lion's den. He stood up on the wall of well and saw his own reflection on the water inside the well. At the same time, an idea came to the rabbit's mind to be saved from lion. Rabbit reached slowly to the lion's den. Rabbit apologized for being late. The rabbit said, "I was thinking that you were the only king of this jungle, but I saw another big lion like you on the way." The lion spoke on the rage, "Where is he? Let's go and show me." The lion and rabbit reached near the old well. The lion climbed up on the wall of the well and looked down. He saw another lion like him inside the well. The lion thought his own reflection on the water as another lion. The foolish and cruel lion jumped into the well to attack another lion without thinking, and he drowned into the water and he died. After the death of lion, all the animals thanked the rabbit and they started to live a happy life. Cleverness can overcome a foe.